What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. It's been a few weeks since Samsung released the Galaxy Watch 8 series and we have already started getting the first update for this series of watches. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic that I have here, this is the Bluetooth variant and I have already received an update for this watch. Whereas on the Galaxy Watch 8 regular that I have here, I haven't got the update yet because this is the LTE variant that I have. Usually we get the update first to the Bluetooth variant and then the LTE variants will get the update. Now in this video, let's check out what is this update all about. We can check the update on the watch or on the phone. We can go to the wearable application on the phone. As you can see, the Watch 8 Classic is connected. Let me tap on watch settings, scroll down, tap on watch software update and tap on download and install. Now for some reason, it is not showing me the update details here, the change log here, but we do have this change log right here on the Galaxy Watch. Let me just show you this. You can see it says downloading the update. And under what's new section, it says stability and reliability, device behavior has been improved, and these changes may vary depending on the model, country or network operator of the customer environment. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software update. Now, if you look at the size here, it's about 163.85 MB. And the version number ends with AYG4 and the security patch level is 1st May 2025. So the security patch is still lagging behind. It's still May 2025. We are already in August. So for the last 3 months, there is no security patch for the watch. Maybe there is no vulnerability for the watches. So we do not have any update as of now. But this is the update that we have got. And we are going to go ahead and install it and let's check the performance of the watch. So far the watch has been doing pretty good. As far as the battery performance is concerned, this Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is giving me about 1.5 days of battery life. However, I'm still not convinced with this watch with the design and the tiny screen that we have, even though the rotating bezel is great. This tiny screen is really bothering me, whereas on the Galaxy Watch the Galaxy Watch 8 regular that I have, this screen is slightly bigger than this. This is about 1.5 inch screen. This is about 1.34 inch screen. So it still bothers me on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. But on the Watch 8 regular, this screen size looks so good. And this is the best watch that I'm currently using. I feel that is just my opinion. You guys can share your thoughts in the comment section. Moreover, I have got this white version. The screen looks even more smaller on the white version because of this white bezel that we have here. If it was a black bezel, probably that would have merged with the screen's dark backgrounds and it would have looked a little better. But with the white frame, the screen looks even more smaller. Now, anyways, we have got the update. We are going to go ahead and install the update and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay, now I really got frustrated. It took a lot of time for me to update the watch because it got stuck at the update page and it was not downloading any updates. Now, sometimes these issues occur on the One UI Watch 8 on the Galaxy watches and it's a bummer. Samsung should improve the One UI watch is what I feel. There is always lags and stutters on the UI. And also these kind of issues while updating the watch is something which we don't really expect from a top tier brand like Samsung. I really wish Samsung was still on the Tizen OS. They could have improved the battery life, made it probably run longer, maybe 3-4 days or 5 days, and could have simplified the OS. Instead, they chose to go with Wear OS and still One UI watch struggles. Anyways, now I have updated the watch. Let me just go ahead and open the settings over here. Let's go to the update section, software update, and let me tap on download and install. Now you can see it says your watch is up to date. And if I have to see the watch update details, now in fact on my wearable application it is working. Now when I tap on download and install, it is showing me the change log here. That was after resetting the watch. And it's a pretty simple change log. Device behavior has been improved. If you have been facing any issues with the watch with respect to the lags or stutters or battery performance, this update should fix it. Now I want to post a review video about this watch which is coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. For now, the battery life, like I mentioned earlier, it is just about 1.5 days, which is expected. And the watch is doing pretty well without any major issues. Now, while I was doing this video, I just checked the Galaxy Watch 8 regular as well, the LTE version. I have actually got the update here. As you can see, it's updating. And you can go ahead and check your watch if you have any LTE version of the Galaxy Watch 8 series. We have got the update for this watch as well. Now let me also show you the change log for this update on the Galaxy Watch 8 regular. I have connected this to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me just open the wearable application here. And let me, before hitting the update, as you can see, it says update right here. Before doing that, let's go back to the settings here, watch settings, watch software update, and tap on download and install. As you can see, this is also around 163.81 MB update. Let me just show this to you guys. Now, this is a similar update that we have got here. The version number ends with AYG4 and the size is exactly 163.81 MB here and 163.85 MB over here. Both are still with May security patch. Now, this is the update we have got for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. If you haven't updated yet, go ahead, update your watch and let me know your thoughts about the update in the comment section. And if you want to watch more contents about the Galaxy Watch 8 series, Watch 7, 6 series, I have made tons of videos about this. There are some comparison videos as well. Go ahead and check out the channel. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you have already liked the video and hit the subscribe button. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, become a part of Apex community. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.